When it comes to web hosting, security is one of the top priorities. Today, we're diving into HostPapa versus Liquid Web, which has more robust security. This is a question that many businesses ask when looking for a secure hosting solution, and by the end of this video, you'll know which one provides the best protection for your data. Let's start with HostPapa. HostPapa offers a range of security features, including SSL certificates, a firewall, and malware scanning. They also have an impressive uptime record, which is important for ensuring that your website is not vulnerable to attacks due to downtime. However, there are some limitations. For example, while HostPapa provides malware removal, it's an add-on service, meaning you'll have to pay extra for complete protection. This could be a deal breaker for businesses looking for an all-in-one solution. Next thing, let's talk about Liquid Web. Liquid Web goes the extra mile when it comes to security, and that's one of the reasons why they're a popular choice among enterprises. They offer fully managed security services, including DDoS protection, proactive server monitoring, and automatic malware removal. Their security features are robust, and they provide a lot more than HostPapa right out of the box. For instance, Liquid Web provides an extra layer of protection with their patch management system, which ensures your website is always up to date with the latest security patches. That's a crucial part of keeping your site safe from attacks. The third thing to note is the ease of use. HostPapa offers a user-friendly interface with an intuitive dashboard, but when it comes to security, they don't make things as simple as Liquid Web does. Liquid Web's custom-built control panel is designed with security in mind, making it easier for users to manage their security settings. This is especially useful if you're managing a larger, more complex website where security can get overwhelming. The fourth thing is scalability. Liquid Web has an edge in this area. Their security features are built to scale with your business, which means as your site grows, so does your protection. HostPapa is great for small to medium-sized websites, but if you're planning to scale, you might find yourself needing to upgrade your security features as you go. Now, we can't ignore pricing. HostPapa's pricing is generally more affordable, which makes it a great option for smaller businesses or individuals with a tighter budget. However, this can come at the expense of security features. If you want the level of protection that Liquid Web offers, you'll need to pay a premium. But considering the amount of managed security and the peace of mind that comes with it, many businesses find it worthwhile to invest in Liquid Web. Next thing, let's talk about customer support. Both companies offer 24/7 support, but Liquid Web is known for its exceptional, hands-on customer support, especially in terms of security issues. They have a reputation for responding quickly to security concerns and offering solutions that minimize the impact of any breaches. HostPapa, while competent, doesn't have the same level of specialized support when it comes to security. To summarize, both HostPapa and Liquid Web have strong security features, but Liquid Web stands out due to its more comprehensive and managed security solutions. If you're serious about security and need a solution that scales with your business, Liquid Web is the winner. However, both of these hosting providers have their merits, and for many businesses, HostPapa could be an adequate option if you're just starting out or have fewer security needs. But if you want a more robust security solution, especially if you plan to scale, Liquid Web is the better choice. All of the software mentioned in this video is solid, but after testing them all, I recommend taking advantage of the free trial available through the first link in the description. By using our link, you'll unlock the best trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Don't miss out on this opportunity to get the security your website needs.